Namaste. In this recording, we are going to practice our Hindi numbers by doing some math problems from adding and subtracting. And in this, you're going to need to know your numbers in Hindi from 1 to 20. So let's get started. So, what is theen plus bara? First, interpret the numbers. What is theen in Hindi? And what is bara in Hindi? Think about it. So theen is 3 and bara is 12, right? Ek, do, teen, and ek, do, teen, char, panch, chhe, saath, aath, no, 10, 11, bara. Bara is 12. So what is theen plus bara? 3 plus 12. What is that? Do your math. Theen plus bara is 15. And how do we say 15 in Hindi? Pandara. Pandara. All right, let's do another one. Pandara minus char. Pandara minus char. Now we just said what pandara is, so you should know that. What is pandara? 15. And what is char? Ek, do, teen, char. Char is 4. So what is 15 minus 4? It's Gyara, right? 11. 11. And we say in Hindi, Gyara. Ek, do, teen, char, panch, chhe, saath, aath, no, 10, 11 is 11 in Hindi. All right, next one. What is chhe plus saath? Chhe plus saath. What is chhe in Hindi? Okay, and what is saath in Hindi? Very good. So do your counting. Chhe is 6, saath is 7. So what is 6 plus 7? Do your math. What is 6 plus 7? 13, right? 6 plus 7 is 13. And in Hindi, we say tera. Ek, do, teen, char, panch, chhe, that's 6. Saath is 7. Aath, no, 10, 11, 12, tera. Tera is 13. All right, what is do plus no? Do plus no. What is do in Hindi? 2, right? And what is no in Hindi? Ek, do, teen, char, panch, chhe, saath, aath, no. No is 9. So what is 2 plus 9? What is 2 plus 9? It's 11, right? Gyara. Gyara is how we say 11 in Hindi. All right, what is aath minus panch? What is aath in Hindi? Think about it. And what is panch in Hindi? Think about that too. So if you said that aath is 8 and panch is 5, then very good. Aath minus panch is what? It's 3, right? And how do we say 3 in Hindi? Ek, do, teen. All right, next one. Gyara minus ek. Gyara minus ek. Gyara is a word we've heard many times already today. So what number is gyara? And what number is ek? Gyara is 11, right? And ek is our first number, 1. So what is gyara minus ek? 11 minus 1. 11 minus 1 is 10, right? And how do we say 10 in Hindi? Das. We say das. Okay, next one. 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10. Now, what is 20 in Hindi? If you don't know, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is 20. And thus you should know. We've already did that one just now. Thus is 10. So what is 20 minus 10? 20 minus 10 is thus, right? 20 minus 10 is 10 again, and we say thus. All right, next one. 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4. What is 14? Count it out. And what is 4? All right, so if you said that 14 is 14, very good. And if you said that 4 is 4, excellent. So what is 14 plus 4? 14 plus 4. What does that come out to? Do your math. Joda plus 4 comes out to 18, right? 18. 14 plus 4 is 18. And how do we say 18 in Hindi? Count it out if you don't remember. We say 18. 18 is 18 in Hindi. All right, next one. Panch plus 6. Panch plus 6. What is panch in Hindi? If you said 5, very good. And what is 6 in Hindi? If you said 6, shabash. So what is 5 plus 6? 5 plus 6. Do your math. 5 plus 6 is Gyara. Gyara, 11. And that's a word that we have heard many times today already, right? 5 plus 6 is Gyara. All right, last one. What is Sola plus do? Sola plus do. What is Sola? Sola is 16, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sola is 16. And what is do? 1, 2. Do is 2. So what is 16 plus 2? 16 plus 2 is 18, right? And how do we say 18 in Hindi? If you don't remember, count it out, starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is 18 in Hindi. All right, very good work with this. Balle balle to you. Dhanyavad for listening. Keep practicing your numbers, keep practicing your math, and I will see you in class.